Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to do the poem Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. We are going to see the important questions that came in the previous year's board exam papers, including the latest one. The first link is the total explanation of the poem Keeping Quiet, along with the poetic devices and the meanings. You can go through that and check it out to understand the poem completely. The other links will also help you to learn your class 12 lessons. This question has come in the CPSC board exam 2020. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. A. According to the poet, what should not be confused with inactivity? According to the poet, total inactivity, which he advises, should not be confused with death. B. What will total inactivity ultimately lead to? When we keep quiet and we are not active all the time, we will get some seconds to look inward and introspect within ourselves to see the damage that we are doing to the environment and to mankind. C. Name the poem and the poet. Poem Keeping Quiet. Poet Pablo Neruda. D. How should life be lived as suggested in the above lines? The poet says life is what it is about, which means that life is about living. It should not be confused to death. We should live a meaningful and purposeful life. Second question, it would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. A. What is the exotic moment? When there is one moment where we do not hear any sound or we are not rushing about, that would be an exotic moment. B. Why would this moment be a strangeness? We human beings are so used to noise that when there is absolutely no noise, it will be a strangeness to us. See, what does the poet want to convey in this poem? The poet wants to tell us that in spite of our busy schedule, we should take a few seconds off in order to look inside and introspect, to see the damage which we are doing to ourselves and the environment. D. What does engine signify? Engine signifies machines. Three. Now we will count up to 12 and we'll all keep still. For once in the face of earth, let's not speak any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. A. What is the significance of number 12? The poet has mentioned number 12 probably because we use the 12-hour clock or there are 12 months in a year. B. Which activity should be stopped? We should stop mindlessly moving our hands so much. We should just stop for 1 second. Explain, let's not speak any language. The poet tells us that language causes a lot of barriers between people. So, for once, let us not talk any language. Let silence be the language that bonds all of us. D. Poetic device of the last line, and not move our arms so much. It is a pun. Arms means our hands, and arms also means ammunition. Important short questions. What will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve? When we keep still and count 12, we will get the time to look inside ourselves and to introspect. This will help us realize how much we are destroying the environment, destroying ourselves, and waging unnecessary wars. 2. Which symbol from nature does the poet invoke and that there can be life under stillness? Explain. Life is what it is about. The poet wants to tell us that we can be full of life, though outwardly we may appear calm. For this, he gives the example of Mother Earth. Mother Earth seems to be lifeless on the surface, but under the surface, the earth is throbbing with life and activity. Life is what it is about, means life is all about living. We should live a meaningful and purposeful life. 3. Why does one feel a sudden strangeness when one keeps still? Man is so habituated to a noisy environment. When suddenly there is total silence, where no one keeps moving and there is no machine that is working, we are in total silence. And this is very strange to us. Question number 4. How will keeping quiet protect our environment? When we keep quiet, the man who is attacking the whales will stop for a few seconds. Thus, the environment will be saved. We will not cut trees at least for a few seconds, and hence the environment will be saved again. Question number 5. What does the poem Keeping Quiet teach us? The poem Keeping Quiet tells us to look within ourselves and introspect the meaning of life, how we are destroying not only the environment but also ourselves. It is useless to wage wars, whether they are chemical or any other war. Instead, man should just bond with one another in silence. This will also help us change our attitude from hatred to one of love. 6. How will humans behave when they wear clean clothes? Clean clothes is symbolic. Clean clothes means the people who have a feeling of hatred towards one another, they will change their attitude. They will have a cleaner attitude, an attitude towards brotherhood, and all men will bond together as brothers. Important long answer questions. What can be achieved by keeping quiet? A lot of things can be achieved by just keeping quiet. When we don't move our arms so much, we will look inside ourselves and see how much of destruction we are causing. We are causing destructions to ourselves. We are also causing destructions to the environment by deforestation and other activities. Constantly waging wars with one another, we are just destroying mankind. All this we will realize when we keep quiet for some time. We will then start loving each other and walking together, bonded only by the language of silence. Question number 2. What does the poet mean by inactivity? What is the example he gives to explain this? Inactivity means not being active all the time. We should also take time from our busy schedule in order to introspect, to see how much destruction we are causing all around us. We are destroying the environment and we are also destroying mankind. It should not be confused with death. Death is not a purposeful living activity. Being in activity only for 12 seconds means we get to see what we are doing and how we would improve. What is the example that he gives? To prove his point, he gives the example of Mother Earth. She is very calm on the surface and also looks lifeless. But underneath, it is full of activities. There are insects, there are roots which are expanding, and every second it is throbbing with life. Students, in case you like my video, please subscribe. It will help me give you all the other lessons too. Thank you.